up? Welcome back to Cool Squad Gaming. So today we're here on Scratch, the #1 coding platform. Well, I don't really know, I just said that. Developed by MIT. Once you create your account, come to this page. This video is just we're talking about basic creation and stuff. So let's hit the create button in the top. Okay, creating project. Okay, here we're on the basic page of Scratch. So we're just going to make the cat move around the screen. But first, let me show you some basic tools of Scratch. Here, scroll down, you can see this circle, this cat with the plus sign. It's a sprite button. Here you can paint your own sprite. As you can see here, you can do a drawing. See, oh, I'll teach you the drawing tool later. Okay, here, then there's surprise. I have no idea what that does. Oh, it'll just choose a random sprite. And then this is upload sprite if you already have something downloaded. Now, let's go to choose a sprite. Here you can see the massive sprite library. Anything you click, like for example, you can choose a hat. So, another thing we can talk about is some sprites have costumes. And they can be like this, and this. To check, you go on the top, there's code, it's selected, then click costumes. And you can see, look, and then you can also edit it. Move it around a bit. Oh, I don't like US. You're gone. Just like that. See, now I have this hat, and this hat, and this hat. So that's the sprite function. Now, let's go to this button. It's the backdrops button. So, again, you paint a backdrop, upload a backdrop, and a surprise backdrop. What did I get? Balloons, hooray! Okay, now let's go to choose a backdrop. It's basically the same thing. With all the backdrops, I'm gonna go for just do an underwater backdrop. No, I'm gonna do an outdoor backdrop. Let's go to the baseball field. Okay, the cat in his hat and this lady singer standing there. But this is kind of different. For this, as you can see here on my screen, it does not. It just has one. Okay, let's click on the stage. Click on backdrops. And I'll change this code so you can still design it, switch it around. In the stage backdrops costumes, now you will see all your backdrops. Here is party, the random backdrop I chose. I just removed this for the random backdrop, so now it looks like that. It's very different. And then for this baseball, say I don't like the field, moved it. Say I just want to give it a good flip. So you can do that. Also, you can click bin with the bin icon. Okay, now that's that. Now, let's go back to the first cat. So you see the sprite name is sprite1. You can name it anything. It doesn't really matter. So these are the minus x and y positions. They go all the way until minus 200 and 200. If you go over that, your code might not function. So like I can go. That won't work. Now my code will not function when I put the code. So you can do this, and then you can choose any X position, or you can choose any Y position. Like I can go Y50. Watch the cat move. So this is also useful for other tools in the coding that I'll show in another video. So yeah, that's the X and Y positions. X is the right and left. Y is up and down. This is a show, not show. Like you could hide a sprite like this, show it like this. This is the size. If I say, oh my god, this cat's massive, I want a 1. Look how tiny, baby cat. Minimum size is 5, maximum is 540. God, look at this big cat. Okay, then put the cat's glorious face and reset it to 100. Bye bye, cat. Okay, so that's this and this. So now I'm going to teach you the paint function. In another video, we'll talk about. Oh, let's talk about this. It's called the backpack. First of all, I'm going to create a random code. Again, I'll teach you this in another video. So like this, blah blah blah. In case this needs to be copied for other sprites, I just need to scroll to the bottom of the screen, click on this backpack button, and it opens. It's like I can put anything in here and go to another sprite and just take it out. Boom, like that. Then you have to do it for everything. Or you could just simply drag it like this. See? Drag it. Now there's two. You could just grab it from here, send it to another sprite. It's basically simple, basically simple. So that's that. And now, let me talk to you about the draw function. Draw function. So let's go to the cat costumes. I already told you about this. I don't like your leg. I removed his leg. I'm gonna put his leg over there. Or I can put his leg like that. How weird that cat looks. Let's just replace it so the cat looks civil. Okay. Now let's go back to the add, or you can choose either. First, I'm gonna teach you the paint function. So here's some functions for this. So you can choose, like, if you want text, click it and then write your text. You can choose the color here. Wait, sorry. You can choose it and then you write your text. Great text. Follow it. Okay, so now you can choose the fill color. If you want it blue, green, blah, blah, blah. This is saturation, brightness, and darkness. As you can see, the text changing. This is brightness, boom, 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 boom. Okay. And if you don't want any color, just click this. Then see, it just removed all color. This is a pick thing. Like, if there's already a color inside, just gonna go up to it and grab it. And then it'll show that color. Very useful. Okay, now we're going to the circle tool. Circle tool. Okay, draw. Also, there's an outline. If you remove this, now you can see. Now there's an outline from a square. See? A circle. This little outline thing. And then this is the outline intensity. Like, I can make it super intense. Like 100. Obviously the max is 100. It looks like that. Okay? Now, let me teach you the literal basic tool, mouse pointer. Click on something with the mouse pointer. You just drag it around and you can copy it and paste it. Super easy. Paste it. Yeah. Just like that. Now delete, 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 delete. Oh, I removed my circle. Okay, let me just draw another circle and go back to the mouse tool. Now we have the flip. You can flip it vertically, flip it horizontally. Basically just flips and front and back. Now that means if, for example, I draw another circle on top and I say back, now it's behind the other one, see? And if I say front, it'll come ahead. So that's that. And another thing is, oh, I drew another one, is the group tool. You can just draw a nice big thing by dragging, and you can do the group. Now you'll see it's stuck together. This axis is like the center of the screen. See on my screen? Center. Like that. Well, anything else I forgot? Yeah. This is basically the same tool, just drawing a square. This is drawing a line. Just draw some nice lines. Yeah. Cool. This is the fill blob. Like, it's a paint can. If I chose yellow and I just go green, 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 you can just don't have to change everything. This is the paintbrush. And it's also the same thing. You just like painting like that. La, la, la. Okay, that's that. Oh wait, what's this tool? See? Look, this, you can make a mold and you can just drag that mold. God, look at it. Ugh. It's like basic. Actually, you don't really need to know that because no one will. Oh my god, another tool. If you have a square, you can curve it and point it like this. Cool, huh? Well, that's that. Now, finally, for this video, I'm gonna learn how to paint a backdrop. It's the exact same thing. Select one nice green background. There. Look at that nice green background. Let's draw a tree. Let's do one line. Let's do one circle. That, oh, wrong color. Maybe I'll just make the fill a little dark green, like that. Like this, just a nice tree, just a few circles. Think, program, and share. This is that. That's all for this Scratch video. Keep on moving and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.